Dehydrating your own backpacking food is a great way to add flavor, nutrition, and variety to your backcountry meals. It can also save a lot of money compared to commercially prepared meals. But how do you choose the food dehydrator machine for you? Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best food dehydrators available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out the video description. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. SAHARA Folding Food Dehydrator. For those that want their food dehydrator completely out of sight while not in use, Broad & Taylor has come up with a stupendous design for their SAHARA folding model. While in storage mode, it takes up 1/3 of the space of its operating size. It easily converts between storage and operating modes with a few quick and easy steps. Considering all of the SAHARA's functions and settings, our team found this appliance to be simple to operate. An integrated air filter helps to keep contaminants off of your food, and this model is especially quiet while running. Although we love the innovative collapsible construction, converting the Broad & Taylor SAHARA folding adds extra steps that are not needed for other models. If you use your dehydrator often and you don't mind it permanently living on the counter, there's no reason to go with a folding version. Also, there's no getting around the fact that the SAHARA is gonna put a dent in your checking account. If you're shopping on a budget, this is not the one. Despite the price, we highly recommend this model for those that want a full-sized food dehydrator with a much smaller storage size. Number 4. NESCO FD-1040 Gardenmaster Dehydrator. The NESCO FD-1040 Gardenmaster Digital Pro models have been on the market for years and have consistently been considered the best dehydrator by multiple reviewers. On Google and Amazon, the NESCO FD-1040 Gardenmaster Digital Pro gets high customer ratings for ease of use and durability. It's an Amazon bestseller and number 1 most wished for dehydrator. Wirecutter selected its older model, the FD-1010, as their best dehydrator for home use. We think the Gardenmaster Pro FD-1040 is the best dehydrator for most outdoor enthusiasts who want to make their own food. This made-in-the-US dehydrator machine excels in balancing features and middle price point. The Gardenmaster's vertically stacked trays can be expanded up to 20 trays, more than double the capacity of most dehydrators on the market. The ability to handle that many trays at once is due to 1,000 watts of drying power for optimal airflow. The Gardenmaster's wide, adjustable temperature range of 90 to 160 Fahrenheit allows users to dehydrate a variety of foods. The low end of 90 Fahrenheit allows you to dehydrate shredded cheese without melting or changing flavor by cooking it. And 150 Fahrenheit plus protects against bacterial growth when drying up some taco meat. Amazon reviewers really like that with the NESCO dehydrator, they don't have to fuss over rotating trays to allow for even drying. NESCO's proprietary airflow system does the job for you by circulating the air evenly throughout. Having owned other brands of dehydrators in the past that dry the food closest to the fan quicker, I can appreciate the saved effort of good airflow. Number 3. Magic Mill Food Dehydrator. The sleek Magic Mill combines a modern digital interface with an understated matte black finish. The well-thought-out metal tray design allows for 7.6 square feet of food processing space, and there is a transparent door that enables you to monitor the progress. The temperature settings are reasonably accurate, and the modest footprint won't eat up too much counter space. Moreover, it produces consistent and quality dried goods, and cleaning up this model is easy peasy. There are a few downsides of the Magic Mill worth mentioning. The temperature can only be adjusted in 10-degree increments, and we found the timer's beep to be loud and somewhat obnoxious. The machine is very quiet during operation, though. Finally, consider the amount of space you need from a food dehydrator. This one has an average amount of dehydrating real estate and may be a bit small if frequent bulk dehydration is your aim. Still, we think this machine has the best combination of function and features when looked at as a whole. Number 2. Excalibur 3926TB Electric Food Dehydrator. The Excalibur 3926T is an excellent dehydrator for amateur chefs, people who have graduated to the next level of dehydrating, or those who know they want a well-made unit that promises to last a long time. Foodle.com rated the Excalibur 3926T the best dehydrator on the market, and it earns a rating of 4.5 stars on both Google and Amazon, with 5-star ratings making up 82% of the reviews. The Excalibur 3926T is among the most beloved dehydrators on the market, and is our upgrade pick. It's a favorite due to its large list of features, which really allow you to dial in your timing and temperature setting, and make checking on food simple. Among the features of the Excalibur 3926T are a rear-mounted heating element with 9-drawer-style trays. This configuration makes it the easiest of our 3 picks to check on all 4 courses while they are drying. Since this is something that you will need to do with any dehydrator, it's nice that the Excalibur makes this process easier. Also, having the heating element in the rear means that errant drips and crumbs will not fall into it, causing the motor to burn out. This is one of the more common causes of dehydrator failure. The maximum temperature is 165 Fahrenheit, which is great for inhibiting bacterial growth while drying meat jerky. The Excalibur 3926T is a great dehydrator with nice features and a slick design. If you think you will really get into dehydrating or you want to upgrade your current model, we think our upgrade pick is worth the extra money to invest in this made in the US dehydrator that sports a 10-year warranty. Number 1. NESCO FD-1040 Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator. The NESCO FD-1040 Snackmaster Pro is a solid budget pick that has all the must-have features and none of the bells and whistles that add to the price of the other dehydrators. Amazon reviewers agree, making this made in the US dehydrator their number 11 bestseller with a rating of 4.4 stars out of 5 among nearly 2,000 reviews. This dehydrator machine stands out as one of the least expensive dehydrators on the market that has both a top heating element, a maximum temperature of 160 Fahrenheit, and an ample 600-watt motor. At only about $90, you'll make back your investment after a couple of trips. Despite being the budget pick, the Snackmaster Pro has all the features that our experts agreed were crucial. Among these, it has a wide temperature range, from 95 to 160 degrees. We like that the Snackmaster can be set below 100 degrees to dehydrate things like hummus and herbs without cooking them and changing their flavor. The Snackmaster's wide temperature range is within 5 degrees of our other, more expensive picks. Temperatures above 150 are important when drying meats to prevent bacterial growth. With the NESCO FD-1040 Snackmaster Pro, you won't get a digital timer or the most powerful fan, but you will get a well-made dehydrator capable of drying a variety of food with a great range of temperature at a budget price. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.